Yeah.
Look at that. You want to hold on to that?
No.
Wow. All
Hi,
right. I'm gonna see
Harley.
what you got.
Yeah, Harley wants to know what you got.
You want to open? No. Oh.
Oh, yes, big guy.
Mama,
Yeah.
Daddy.
Daddy. You don't want to open a present, big guy?
Why?
Well, go see Mommy. She's got a really nice present for you.
Hey, Mama.
Hey, Mama.
Pumpkin, you want to open these?
Daddy. Daddy.
Yeah. Is that a stove? A stove you're not supposed to put
Hey,
Flower.
look on the other side, Dominic.
on this side.
Come over here.
Three.
Flower.
Hey, Dominic. Come over onto this side.
Papa.
Purple, that's right.
Pink. You want to come over here? Look what's over here. Look what's on the other side.
Flower.
Over here. Look what's over here. Go push the red button.
Hen.
Yeah,
Hen.
good job.
Daddy.
You sit on it.
Uh-huh.
Very good.
Good job.
Hey, turn around. Do you see the barbecue?
Papa.
Be basketball. Where'd the ball go?
Here you go.
Oh, blocks. Oh, gotta play with blocks. Oh, gotta play with blocks. It's not his room, but they're not all over the place.
Wow.
Oh, wow.
Daddy. Daddy.
Do you want to open a present, big guy?
You want to open a present?
Hey, Dominic. Come here. Look at right here. There's another button to push. Ooh, you turn the barbecue on.
And Mama.
Wow. Oh, that's kind of cute. Very cute. Hey, buddy. Come look at this. Look, it's all red. Okay. So it just keeps going.
I told you it goes for a while, remember?
Yeah, presents. You want to open some now? Tree. Very good.
Hey, Dominic, can you say Mary?
No.
No.